shot is no good, but Amos is there. Spin move and off the bank.
Whoa.
Calooy gets away, but his shot is off. At nauna si Dungo, challenging the defense, gives it up to Makalalag. Loses Pasinos and gets the jumper to go in. Tovera gets a screen from Espinas. Nice pass inside. 5 seconds on their shot clock. Amos inside. Floater is up and in.
Good.
We've got 7 seconds on the clock. Pasinos, shifty move, gets the basket and the harm. Daep. Pass back to Goliena, who gets the basket. Moral gets a screen from Carino. The pass intercepted, anticipated, and now reciprocated. Carino, he's got Goliena, gives it up. Chio, good fake. Chio, the jumper's up and in. Doesn't have to be complicated. And Chio with a steal there. He will now try from outside, and 5 straight points for Andrew Chio. Rebound goes to Lasal, and that's Gagate with the basket. Here's Goliena over to Gagate for another basket. Jacob Cortez pushes it ahead to Goliena. Layup is up and in.
EJ Goliena.
So while we were on break, a technical foul was assessed on Coach Topex Robinson for unsportsmanlike behavior, and that was converted. Meanwhile, on the other end, Earl Abadam getting that under-goal stab. Joseph Calooy for 3. Yes, sir!
Another 3-pointer para dito sa Gilas Youth, bringing the lead down to 3.
Score is 68 to 60.
It is 8 rather.
Yeah. 9 minutes. We're still in the first minute of the fourth quarter. Ball was tipped. And we'll stay with Lasal. Makalalag checking into the game for Marasigan. And Espinas also checking in for Lacson. Melencio checking in for Sarmiento. Sarmiento gave Lasal a good amount of time. And the minutes that he was given, almost 5 minutes. 3-pointer on the way, no good for Saibol. Ball will go.
Initial call was Gilas.
Oh.
Perfect opportunity for them to bring this lead down.
Even further. Patagok being harassed by Abadam, and that's a steal. Abadam goes up and in.
Too much dribbling that time for Gilas, turning the ball over once again.
There's Tovera this time bringing it down. Up against Saibol, gets away. Oh, the pass was too low for Arsic.
A little more bounce on that one would have been perfect para dito kay Tovera. Back-to-back turnovers.
Oh.
Looks like
Our
Gilas ball to.
Gilas ball. Tumama daw sa paa.
Shot clock at 13 seconds.
So Espinas will trigger the inbound. Arsic receiving. Back to Espinas. Oh, that pass was a little...
Good intention. Medyo telegraph lang yung pasa.
Oh, good block from behind by Joseph Calooy, showing no mercy there.
Swarmed by the defense of Gilas. Was that attack by De La Salle.
Saibol didn't have a chance. He will now trigger the inbound. Gives it to the cutting Makalalag. Arsic not allowing him. Sorry, that's Patago. And that's an offensive foul called on Makalalag.
Makalalag forcing his way in Napalakas yung kanyang extension.
First team foul for the Green Archers substitution
As Tubong Banwa checks in
for Austin Arsich.
for Arsich. Tovera didn't really factor too much dun sa third quarter. Let's see if he'll turn up the heat once again dito sa fourth. Traveling nga lang siya muna.
Kind of hesitated itong si Tovera. Maganda na yung unang fake niya eh. Naalis niya na sa posisyon yung bantay niya doon, but opted to take one more at doon na siya natawagan.
Oo. So bola babalik dito sa Lasal. 10 ang kanilang lamang. 5 on the floor for Gilas. You got Tovera, Espinas, Calooy, Patagok, and Tubong Banwa. That 5 on the floor brought to us by Pusopi.com. Dumo, his under goal shot is no good, but Amos is there. Spin move, and off the back.
Couple of bumps para dito kay Mason Amos, just feeling itong si Espinas, and he saw that opening going to the baseline.
Channeling his best Tim Duncan.
Oo. Wow.
Calooy gets away, but his shot is off. At nauna si Dungo, challenging the defense of Patagok. That lead is back up to 14, 74-60. We'll be back after this timeout, brought to us by Pusopi.com. And let's take a look at this smart power play by Toy Dungo. Hindi ininda ang depensa netong si Patagok. On the way to bringing this lead back up to 14, 74-60. 7 minutes and 25 to go dito sa ating fourth quarter.
26 fast break points for De La Salle. That has been the story of this game. Them pushing the pace.
As Tovera missing on that three, it was bouncing all around the rim. 5 on the floor for Lasal. You've got Dungo, Saibul, Makalalag, Melencio, and Amos. 5 on the floor brought to us by Pusopi.com. Dungo decided against the shot. Gives it up to Makalalag. Loses Pasinos and gets the jumper to go in.
Able to create the separation was JC Makalalag off that step back jumper. But Mason Amos had Tovera all over him nung buong possession. He was asking for the ball.
Oh, as Calooy missing on that alley-oop.
Ang baba nung pasa
Ang
doon.
baba,
Would have
oo.
been a great pass. Sayang.
Nagmamadali si Dungo. The Pinoy step to the reverse layup.
Nobody there to stop itong si Dungo. Dinukot pa sa kabila.
Oo. Tubong Banwa. 18 na ang hinahabol nila. Tovera gets a screen from Espinas. Nice pass inside.
Good find para
Nakatago dun si Pasinos.
Oo. Ganda nung relocation eh.
Oo. Toy Dungo. Up top. Libre bahagya si Melencio, but he did not take the shot. Dungo using the left screen. Gives it up to Amos. 5 seconds on their shot clock. Amos inside. Floater is up in it.
Good slip on the part of Mason Amos. He saw that Gilas was preparing to switch that one.
So, balik sa 18. Here's Tovera. Challenging the defense of Saibul. Pasinos. We've got 7 seconds on the clock. Pasinos, shifty move, gets the basket and the harm.
That was Pasinos doing his version of a Makalalag misdirection.
Take another look at how he did it.
Look at that. One dribble to his right. He's directing with that left jab and erasing Mason Amos in front of him.
He will now go to the line for a bonus free throw brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesives. Sa ABC, sigurado ka dito. Pasinos, sanay na yan sa drums.
Oo.
Dungo, hindi pumasok yung kanyang tres. but they get second servings. Gillian Quines attacking. First time in this ball game for the smooth operator, Gillian Quines.
Coming from the Lasal High School program, itong si Gillian Quines. And I'm sure we covered him a lot of times.
Yeah.
No? Alam na natin din kung ano yung capabilities itong si Gillian Quines. And we also know that Lasal has a stacked lineup in that guard position. Kaya kakailanganin ng pasensya dito kay Gillian.
He is at the line for a pair of free throws brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Sa ABC, sigurado ka dito. Chio checking into the game. Under 5 minutes dito sa ating fourth quarter. Moral versus Quines. Razon gets it to Sardon. The switch. Sardon, the fadeaway, no.
Good shot para dito kay Sardon, wanting to be aggressive.
Daep. Pass back to Goliena, who gets the basket and the foul.
The upper body strength mula dito kay Goliena, absorbing the contact, still able to finish that one.
Let's take a look at that pass from Lebron Daep to Goliena.
Gliding to his left pa itong si Goliena. Difficult shot, difficult angle to work with.
Bonus free throw brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Sa ABC, sigurado ka dito. They pitch it ahead to Sardon. Here's Choc Moral. Gets a screen from Carino. The pass intercepted, anticipated, and now reciprocated with a basket by Boris Marasigan.
Great ball screen defense resulting to that quick basket for Lasal.
Seven Gagate will be called for the foul on that attack by Razon.
Nagpasabit itong si Razon.
Foul number 77, 7 Gagate, is third personal foul. 3 on the court.
Razon at the line for a pair of free throws brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Sa ABC, sigurado ka dito. And that was Coach Andre giving some instructions to Sardon. Second free throw goes in. Lead is at 20. Quines gets the ball up top, gets a screen from Gagate. Quines kicking it out. Triple on the way.
Almost for the LSU. Gandang hanap yun mula dito kay Gillian Quines. Just couldn't get it to fall itong si Marasigan.
And itong Gilas Youth squad with one more push can make this a more interesting ball game. Quines kicks it out. Daep for 3. Off the back iron. Rebound goes to Quines. Quines gets the screen from Gagate. Step back 3. That's short. Gagate couldn't chase after that loose ball.
Gillian Quines. Nice to see him being active on offense because most rookies medyo mag-aalangan but siya makikita mong hinahanap niya yung tira niya.
Bottled up underneath was Choc Moral. Shot of Razon does not go. Here's Gagate. Stops at the three-point line. Here he is once again inside. The hook is foiled. Marasigan pulling back. Gives it up to Quines. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Quines with a spin. Loses the ball. Carino. He's got Goliena. Gives it up. Chio. Good fake. Chio, the jumper's up and in.
Good decision para dito kay Chio. Able to get his defender up in the air. One dribble pull-up. making it so simple.
Doesn't have to be complicated.
Oo.
And Chio with a steal there. He will now try from outside, and 5 straight points for Andrew Chio.
He was looking for somebody to pass that basketball to nung walang makita. Went out to that three-pointer and knocked it down.
Marasigan gives it to Daep. Daep all the way to the other side. Golyena for 3. No. Rebound goes to Lasal, and that's Gagate with the basket. We're now in ABC tile adhesive last 2 minutes territory, and
Razon
This
is
is
holding
Razon,
on to his
yeah.
ankle. Parang na-sprain siya on the way down. Hopefully it's nothing serious.
and he's being attended to.
He was trying to push Daep outside of that shaded area.
See if he can put some weight on it. Subok mo na. Ayun. Okay. He's able to put weight on it. That's a good sign. See what happens.
Just trying to do early work on
Ayun.
Daep.
Yun.
Oo, parang as he was taking his retreat steps, parang kumapit yung sapatos.
Oo. Or may na-pinch lang na nerve or whatever. Oh, Moral getting away. Layup is no good.
Overcooks that one, but a good move from Chog Moral.
Here's Golyena over to Gagate for another basket.
7 Gagate was too much for Chio that time.
Patago over to Chio for 3. That one is short. Rebound. Jacob Cortez pushes it ahead to Golyena. Layup is up and in.
EJ Golyena with that go-ahead shot, and Jacob Cortez always looking ahead, always finding for that guy in front of him.
Salcon over to Carino. Challenges the defense of Gagate, and he gets the basket. Jacob Cortez uses his strength to lose. Itong si Patagok, and he will go to the line for a pair of free throws.
Lucky foul number 71.
Oh, it's just a foul on the floor.
Personal foul.
Moral called for the foul to his surprise.
14 on the shot clock.
Jumpers up and in for Marasigan.
Boris Marasigan adding on to this lead. Gilas, for the most part of this game, was within striking distance.
Yeah,
Yun naman yung gusto nilang makuha dito, the experience of playing older guys. Yung mas experienceado sa kanila.
that's
I think-
Gagate.
I think they got what they wanted
Yeah.
from this game.
Yeah. First half actually was pretty competitive. But it's just too big, too fast, no? Too strong. As Jacob Cortez will just hold on to this basketball. They will take the 24-second violation. Pinasa niya pa kay Golyena. At hindi naman din yun personal turnover, magiging
Oo.
team turnover.
Kaya nga.
At the end of the game, the score is 97-76, a 21-point win for the Gilas Pilipinas. For the Lasal Green Archers over the Gilas Pilipinas under 18 squad. And you have your usual suspects, Coach, of contributors.